Good morning everyone and welcome back. Wait, okay, I am fixing the webcam. Great. Tell me, how is everyone doing? How is your life going on? Do let me know. See, check out my friends, my finally that sell from there, it hit the TP discussed right here. Let's see, where is that time frame? But my buy limit executed, the one that I left it overnight. So is this buy level going to work today or not work today? This is what is the this is the main, and on the H1 we already have seen this lower low as well right here. See, higher high, lower low, interest rate decision low, so makes sense that it should go for a continuation. But this high and this low was expected. Okay, in the previous on Sunday what I said, it was expected, right? Why expected? Because let's see this wave with us, and this is the 61.8% retracement. This is that level, TP level, from there till right here, and I executed a pending limit that last night I put. So I am for now holding it and will be holding it. Okay, see, if it gives me a loss, this is 178, my friend, stop loss is too much. Then I think see what it can give today, we have to find out. Let me check the audio, video and all that stuff, then we properly continue further. And hey, leave a like, okay my friends, leave a like on the stream immediately. Something I'm expecting from you, my dear friends. Yes, likes. So we have to see. Okay, now my direction is not clear. This is intraday stuff, the 0.01. Okay, maybe it hit the SL, maybe it hit the TP. It's none of our business in this live stream. Remember, this is the weekly forex forecast stuff that I will be discussing on Monday. So then what is it today for me? We have to see daily time frame. A lot is going on right here, and this trend line playing out very nicely. Have a look at it. But the question is still this, the market still can do this. Okay, this is what we are going to find out today. Oops. Ooh. That it is going to do this, or it is going to do this. Pay very close attention. This, I am on this. Okay, it can do both ways, it can go either way. But since I said since last Friday it was our support, I am not blindly buying. Okay, right here, this is not a blind area. I have something as an evidence as well. which will obviously be part of this stream today. You guys tell me, how was your week? Let me know in the chat who is with me. We will be trading, we will be making profits together today. We will see it, we will find it, and then once the direction is found, because see on the lower time frames it is keep showing me, even if this is, let's say, a buy, okay, even how far it can continue back up, it will need some market structure study. Let's read this trend first of all. Where was this, my friend? Sometimes this 74 makes big problem. So well, this market did this, okay, the bigger one. Let's do it on the H1. This is yesterday also we have discussed for a sell. So let's see, okay, breakout from there, continuation till right here. Maybe this is can be a fresh buying level for us. Let's see, okay, I'm looking at it. This is that area where the previous trend got broken. On the lower time frames though, this level seems breached. Where I have my entry, I was expecting a touch and go type of a market. Market touch it and reverses, but it gave a break below, which is why it is showing us a sell at the moment, and it can sell off. So today is a lot of the patience market, okay my dear friends. Patience will be there, and we will be for scalping, mainly I will be scalping. Let's observe this level and let's see, let's wait for the price to reach here, then we decide what we need to do. So yes, this breakout will be much important for us to the top, okay, otherwise it is coming back down, but I'm not selling right here, okay. Now above this level I'm buyer, okay, above this level. But if you guys have not executed a buy trade, don't execute till now so far. Not a trading signal, but I'm just saying, if this was not a pending limit, I would definitely be, and that's why I don't like the pending limits as well. But anyways, on the lower time frames we observe this. Heading over to your chat if there is any. None? Let's see. I will be like, there is even this opportunity present in front of me. It has a stop loss of 131 pips and a take profit of 196 pips. But there is no good volume at the moment, so shall I turn on little bit of BGM, background music? Very different market today. It is very extremely different, because from there literally no one was expecting this drop, but this correction was present. Now one thing I want to tell to everyone is that this is a retest level. Okay, this level got broken, retested, and should continue up. But if it doesn't continue up, doesn't mean the strategy fails. Now strategy is working, the account is growing live from 1k from 17th, or maybe from the start of April, May, June. This is the mid of, around end of June we can say, and at the end 3 months will be completed. This is how realistic trading should look like and should be. Okay, this is how anyone who invest money $1,000 and they immediately say, oh, I want to just increase it right now, what happens to them? It may not work. I tried it, by the way, as demonstration to you. I tried it as a demonstration. I said it, I showed you. That doesn't work. That gives thousand pips of losses. Discipline is everything. Inside discipline there are a lot of the treasury's profits. This is a scalping zone, but I'm not picking it as a buy. Okay, I mean not a very high-fi scalping zone, just like, but even I must say don't sell, don't buy here. I'm not buying. Wait, okay, I'm waiting a little bit. Oh, it worked. It worked. 33 pips immediately. I'm already holding trade. Okay, fine. Okay, let's wait for this breakout, then we see, we trade. Simple. My friends, try to make conditions for yourself. Even yesterday I said it. There will be conditions, there will be profit, there will be patience. If there is no condition, I have no condition. What I will be doing? I will be just buying or selling. I will be just executing trades, and will end up in losses. If I had no, like 0.05 was good, man. 0.05 was not bad. See, the setup on the 5-minute looks good. Near the trend line. I mean, stop loss, how much it can give me? 76. Well, I'm taking it. Okay, I am taking it. Let's wait. I am taking 0.05. 0.05 will become too much, my friend. Let's make it 0.01. Yes, 0.01 is fine. Around I mean, for a scalping this is also good as this. Okay, just 51 pips of an SL, but let's see, situation seems the same as yesterday. Oh, we will find out that what potentially it can give us. By the way, today is the Friday. Okay, and this market can potentially crush everyone. Marcus, my dear friend, welcome to the live stream. Are you doing the live streams more on this channel? Well, if well, I'm more willing to do it there, Marcus, my dear friend. I'm more willing to do it there. The intraday, day trading and the swing, everything gets a mixture right here on this channel. So I wanted to separate the live streams, the day, intraday and the scalping in the live streams on that channel and focus on the swing trades right here. But then I several times updated everyone, so they were not willing to join, so I have to do it right here. Okay, sorry for inconvenience, Marcos. If you were waiting there for me and I came here, I'm really sorry. Yeah, that will, I will dedicate that to regional language later. Okay, let's see. There is a very tiny stuff for now. Bigger stuff is yet to be coming. And yes, this trade, you see this one, this is a proper holding position. Stop loss is too much for this. This has a stop loss of, this is too much. This was for overnight. Okay, maybe big spikes or something, but I think let's see it here. This, you see this level, this below this will be perfect. But again, right here, one thing I want to say, when the price reaches right here, I will be not much interested in buying then. Okay, Because market then obviously if it is dropping till here, then it is coming after this liquidity. So then maybe I can exit on some confirmation or something right here, but at least 4082 I'm holding the position, the swing trade. I'm referring to the swing trade because then most of the users come to the stream and they see, oh, this person is holding a losing trade, and they leave. That's why I'm saying it. Let's see this one if it gives us profit. You know, since it is spending too much time, I think 111 pips is too much for this setup. Okay, I think this much is good. Yes, just this much. 49 pips is okay for scalping. Okay, and later if this, I'm not saying it is 100% working, but if it works, it can become a bigger level later. And yes, on the back end there is also this thing in my mind. Okay, so we should not be ignoring it at all. This will be there, I'm telling you. Okay, this is the beauty of this strategy. It will be there, my friends. 3842 round number, approximately this number you keep in mind. 3832. But even if it break, then this level, if it is a spike, is fine. Otherwise, if it is not a spike and a proper breakout, then my friends, gold will be going further down. Okay, because did you see crude oil? It very nicely dropped from that level. Okay, I'm stopped out with 49 pips. Wow. Is there any sort of a news? I guess. Let's see. My friend, let's wait a little bit. Okay, let's wait. I'm 0.05. I will be trading properly, but proper wait. Let me set it 0.05. Yes, but after proper wait. We are not going to get crazy when we see the volume. Some people get crazy. No doubt level is for a buy, but we will not be getting crazy waiting for one more minute. Let's see what it's giving us. And I haven't today, I just opened the computer now. Wow, we have literally no news today. Wow, we have a bank holiday in the USA. So how it should look like then? If we have a bank holiday in the USA, well, small traders will definitely try to break this trend line first. Let's wait for them. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Okay, because this is such a tiny level. 49 pips already it took from me, so I'm not interested in it. Next. Okay, a little bit bigger level I will be interested in today. Try to look for these little confluences as well as this. See this, and this is since yesterday developed. This here, see, yesterday when the market was about to close, it closed as this, then the Asian session dropped it. My TP hit of the sell. Okay, the sell from the top I had, and then market go back up, took a retest. So ideally, as this particular 5-minute time frame, it was supposed to be dropping from there till here, and now it should go from here back up till there. Okay, technically, I mean literally it can do anything, but as per my system, I think for the scalping, this will be showing 500 pips. But the thing is, let's wait. Okay, let's just don't confuse ourselves. Let's wait a little bit. Let's wait. Patience is better. Let's see what 1 minute gives us. My friend, market is very much uncertain today, so I am not uncertain, but I mean very different. Because technically, if I tell you the level where I have my buy, this was a touch and go level, okay, that the market will touch and will go back up. This is what I was expecting. Let's wait for 1 minute bullish engulfing. I should have waited for the candle close, but no problem. Well, this will be too big. Too early to move the stop to break even, but no problem. Very quick stop to break even, okay? Very quick. Yes, break even hit. My friends, I'm not adding bigger lot. Just 0.05, but even I was not opening 0.05 as well. This trade setup is valid, okay. Let's see if I put my SL right here, $160, and my TP up there. I mean 231, but then it can continue bullish as well. We will be observing it. Let me head over to your chat if there is any. No one with me in the chat, surprisingly. This is a classic buy setup, okay. Even this is valid with this much. This is completely valid with this much, but I don't feel very safe with this much, okay. But let it be here, no problem. Bigger risk, no, okay. See, if it break the trend line, then there is no reason for me to be in this particular buy. And no doubt it is showing us this bullish wave, but 100% no one is sure is it going to do or not do. So we have to do our homework first nicely. You know, we need to make this market work for ourselves. We need to make this market work for ourselves. Work for us, not work against us. Is working against these people. Intraday was very fine, nice here. This trend line since yesterday when the NY was getting closed, this trend line got established. See, when did it established? How many hours ago? Let's see it on the hourly chart. This one I am talking about. This, how tiny trend it is, and still like, and see, I'm trading this tiny trend to the buy side of the market. It can, maybe it can be a false, okay. Most traders are placing their sell orders right here. Most people are looking for sell trades. Majority of the retail traders, majority, not one, not two, not three. Patiently wait. My friend, something happened to my neck. When I stretch as this, my head seems like it is spinning. And when I suddenly move my neck, it gets okay. It feels as if there is some vein or something that when in at certain position it feel like choking or something, as if someone is blocking that. So what can it be? What do you guys think? Maybe a bad sleeping posture. I'm afraid what might be causing this blockage. Oh, God forbid. I was earlier a bit paranoid as well that, oh God, what if this is a blood clot? I hope it will be just a sleeping posture, nothing too serious. Even it is better than yesterday. See, I can do it. Yes, I can do it. It's better, but when I lay down, then it is. Wow. Nah. Seems like retail is selling, okay? You know, usually when I execute such a trade, immediately it give me profit. Today it didn't give me immediately profit, but immediately it go negative. What can be the reason? This breakout. But on the trading view, this is not a breakout, and right here it is a breakout. Which one is correct then? See, on the MT 4. Nah, my friend, let's see that market C closed tiny above, very tiny, just 28 pips above the 61.8 on the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour the breakout has not yet occurred from 61.8. see, this area, see, anyways we see what it gives us on the lower time frames. Let's see the below this H4 candle is my SL, but this is, my friend, such a zone. I have now doubt that it will be creating panic, okay, to the sell side. The previous H4 candle just closed 28 pips above the 61.8% retracement. Now how do we interpret this data? Those 28 pips is to create confusion for the bulls that hey, we are bullish, and later they are bearish, or is it a real 28 pips market is really bullish? So we know, but like, I mean, see, since the start of the week people are selling, okay, people are selling. They obviously 50% of the positions have closed right here, okay, even if they are looking till here as this A, B, C and this is the D, still 50% people closed their deals. Oh, I'm talking about this one. Start of the week selling. This was the Fibonacci level. What should come next? Even if it is a dropping market, I say at least it can take one fresh Fibonacci on the intraday, which comes right here. Let's see, right here. But obviously, if this level works, then it will be going up there, okay, this time. While this trend line again will be creating a trouble sort of for us. It will be looked as this, okay, for now. Because see, this level is already broken, this level. So what's next? Obviously, let's find out what's next we have. See how perfect it is. This time, if this is a bullish, can potentially go up till back till 43.36 next week, today, whenever. Wow, people are increasing their stop losses. I'm increasing my TP. By the way, my friends, just pray for me. I have started a small company, okay, right here in my country. Asset management, account trading, and this and that. Funds management, okay. So just pray for me it goes well. The first that account will also I will be sharing right here with you. What should I do? Shall I book this profit? You know, my maybe I should close this one, okay, and this 0.01 I will close, okay, because now I have got it from a good place. 0.04 I will close right here, 0.01 I will close right here, and then I will be in net 0.01 holding. But the thing is, my friends, I mean, for the whole week, if I missed, let's say, that sell, this would be my extreme buy level. So it's then luck. Let's see first, let's observe this ABCD pattern. If it completes what it gives us, then we further see that, okay, what will be the situation. And right here, if one is buying now, my friend, immediately the next candle can come back down 220 pips against us, okay, anyone who is buying right here. So 220 pips immediately will be gone, and then who knows, they can break it right here as well. So these things we need to keep in mind, okay, because even the NY session has not yet opened, the liquidity has not been grabbed. There is liquidity right here, big people has not yet appeared. So let's see. And there is no news, and such a big candle formed. So, well, what do you say? If I exit and then on the re-entry, I go for re-entry because the whole session is left. Or it can be just the NY open and they just fly back. Two different thought processes. Okay, so I do this, okay, 0.03 I'm closing from it, okay, because see, the whole week I made profit. I just don't want to, like, you know, even this is a good profit for me. $59. Well, 0.03 I should close, okay. See, because it was a scalping trade, so why would I be like not closing? It was a scalping and intraday stuff. Let's see, how do I close it? Modify or delete order. Why I cannot change the lot size? Why don't it let me reduce the lot? It why? I forget, I guess. Hey guys, remind me. New order, close order, modify or delete order. When I click on this, I should have this option of reducing my volume. I'm not getting it. Why? Why it's happening? Modify or delete my order. Market execution. Yes, market execution. 3.03 I will be closing. Okay, no, 0.03 if I close, and if I close this buy as well, will make a good sense. Okay, I'm waiting a little bit. Okay, I am waiting very nicely. When the market is moving in our favor, why would be getting afraid? We will be getting afraid. But yes, obviously this one, since you know this was that pending order, so obviously this is a swing order. I was supposed to be discussing it in the weekly forecast, but since now I have got this, so I am thinking close this one lot first, then leave this 0.05. later I see what I'm doing with it. Slowly and gradually 0.01 I will be leaving. Or there is one other chance I leave this as well, and I leave 0.03 from this 0.05 as well, and I hold 0.02 over the weekend. That will make another good sense. Okay, so let's see if I'm closing this, then why shouldn't I close it right here then? At least 41.98. But my dear friend, see, this one has a very bigger TP earlier. I mean this is a very big trade opportunity, I should say. At least till here is for sure 1500 pips, and the SL for that one will be how much? Yes, pretty much 1:1 till here. Let's see, today's weekend, so I will see. Okay, what I do. Breakout from the level has occurred. Now my friend, remember, if this market closes above this 61.8% retracement, it will tell us that 28 pips of a story. Do you remember? That is true. But if one say market will not be coming back down, then my friend, market definitely next hour can come back down 282 pips against. Okay, so 0.03 I'm closing from this one, and this one, let's see. Good profits it gave, and I see strongly bullish. Okay, now heading over to your chat. I am done for my scalping stuff today. Could be trapped nerve. Well, I hope it is not serious, Marcos. Trapped, I think maybe, I feel like if the nerve gets bent, especially when I'm laying down, and not in normal position, like as this is fine. When I do some stretching or something, then I feel like some sort of dizziness and head spin, and I immediately like, so maybe it might be because of the, yes, you said blood, like this trapped nerve. I hope that is not too serious, and just because of a sleeping posture maybe. Otherwise I will, tomorrow is Saturday, my friend. Tomorrow I cannot go see the doctor. Then the Sunday, and the government hospitals right here. Nah, my friend, I'm not going there. And the private hospitals right here, you know, they have, in emergency room you will have a qualified doctor, or you will have a Just a beginner MBBS doctor. Think about it. In private hospitals, when you go in an emergency, there will be no experienced doctor. Well, I mean, doctor as a friend is good, but rest I say, God, please keep me away from the doctors. I don't like. I want to be healthy, but my friends, one thing I want to tell you, I'm not physically active. Okay, I am not physically active. Now I'm moving to this new city, inshallah, soon. This other I'm closing. Okay, yes, it's gone as well. Now this 0.02 I will be holding over the weekend, but it has a specific condition. This position has now turned again into a swing opportunity, and I think it makes sense. Let's clean up the chart and let's focus on it a little bit again. This level nicely is broken, see, suggesting bullish. At least if not more, at least this level has gone nowhere. Okay, but that level, if we see, that is still how much far from right here? That is still 779 pips away from us, and I also want to close 0.01 further. If it is dropping, I might close it. Who knows? This is such a small, no doubt it seems momentum candles, this and that. Okay, this is H1, but the next candle can potentially come back down, take a retest, and can stop out as well. But the thing I was saying is that this one has this much stop loss. Okay, not here. This position trades, if one is looking at it this way, because yes, if I am buying it, then I should be then looking it as this. Why? Because I have a stop loss bigger now, position is smaller. So now let's see in terms of dollars. This is $268 of a loss, and the profit is $693. But then, my friend, I have to see, is this setup really worth it for taking this much stop loss? Even 0.02 can give okay, one more 0.01 I closed. Okay, now my risk is even more lower. It's okay, the stop, this is two-eyed, but now it is giving me how much loss? $134. I think $134 on this account equity should not be a bigger problem. Okay, so I should hold. Then later we see where it stops us out. I am in a full mood of 0.05. Let's see, I'm waiting for it. Maybe I can, if it is properly confirmed, then I will try to add more positions. But this is how I trade, my friends. Oh, see. So you guys just pray for my new company, my friends. This is my lifetime dream. Okay, this is my lifetime dream, and it is forex related. Okay, not something else. I have that friend who is who has a real estate business on a very high scale. He say come to my city, and he saw my one of my video where I said anyone there to sponsor my strategy. So later when I was watching the replay, my friend was with me. He said, "Oh, I'm sponsoring you." And that's a very beautiful place where the office will be. Very beautiful place. A mini like a mini what should I say? mini township, I should say. Beautiful. Let me show you. Bahria Enclave. So he will be running his real estate business as well, and he is, let's see the images. Beautiful place it is. Let me show you. Obviously the whole chart area I'm not taking, okay? I'm not taking the whole chart area from you, don't worry. I'm adjusting it, okay? Wait. Beautiful place it is, by the way, my friends. I'm not taking the whole chart area. This is my browser right here. At first I was planning to have a house there. Then my entire relatives and everyone is right here, so that city is far away. Then my wife said no, we are right here, so I will be going alone, okay? And as my kids grow older, now I think I'm in a better position to move. My younger son, I'm very much now these days attached with him. 7 years old he is. But how many of you are married, by the way? Anyone has kids? When the kids grow older, the attachment, my attachment sort of ease up a little bit. But when they are young, my attachment with them is like, though I'm their father, but like just like moms. As a mom would love his son and kids, that's type of a but my friend, even if I'm moving for them, okay? This is not Europe where a person will go 18 years of age and will start working for himself. Here there are no jobs. There are literally no jobs. Even if my son do the MBBS, becomes a doctor, even there are a lot of the doctors who have no jobs. So whatever I'm doing it for them. Now they are, but yes, this little one Jawad, I will be missing him a lot. So this was my dream, my friends. If I tell you, trading as this was my dream once. And do you know, I never gave up. In hard times I never gave up. For example, if you meet me in person, you can see there are big dark circles near my eyes. Why? Because of the 10 years of the chart reading. See, I want to add 0.05 because if this market move from right here, then it might not be coming very soon right here. With this much stop loss, I'm saying, okay, in ideal situation, if it works, because then the situation will be very, very different. See this? So even at least if it doesn't complete this, at least this time it will try to break this particular one, this area. It will be trying. But ultimate goal of the, and still see, still it will be bearish. Still it will be a bearish trend, and based on this bearish trend everyone say, oh, gold is bearish, so let's sell right here. Today, my friend, I have received a message today. Let me show you. Oh, I closed my WhatsApp, otherwise I would show you. And there is one other possibility. Let's say, I'm just saying, maybe today the market just go up till there and take a pause, and the week close there. From Monday, a high volume comes back down and push the market back down as this. Sorry guys, my lines have to be there because I am incomplete with my drawings, okay? And I tell others, don't keep your charts messy, but it doesn't mean we will not be drawing. I mean, don't overload your chart with indicators. There is no indicator right here. So lines will definitely be there. So yes, if that happens, then a pullback, wow, my friend. But maybe then that will be the next week stuff. Let's see how today performs, okay? Who knows, it will be crashing. But USA is closed, banks are closed in the USA, so I'm not sure how and why this market will be crashing. Let's see in 18 minutes there is a news, so let's see what that brings to us. Oh, this light is too strong. 42.49, okay. And it's not as a for granted level, okay. Let's see this level has any activity in the past. Let's make it a line chart a little bit so that it looks clean. Oh, better stick with this one. See this area, market give a breakout. So when I talk about the ABCD pattern, which means this is A to B, A, this is B, that is C, and this, no sorry, this is A, this is B, then from B this is C, okay, and that will be the D. Ideal situation I'm explaining, because you know the professional traders and professional way is to live in probability, not in an uncertainty. Because if I was uncertain right now, I would not be able to trade. On 24th of April, last night I discussed that with you. No, in the video I discussed it with you. And do you guys want to see the dollar index or no? That is also weekly forex forecast stuff, okay. See guys, you four are watching me right now from the start till now so far. If you watch me on that other channel, that is very new. So when the YouTube knows that this is a new channel and 4 people are watching, it will attract more people. This is a swing trading trade. This is a swing trading channel, but anyways, if I, let's see, if I come live right here, at least the market gives me profits. But the thing is, usually I get my profits within the first, like within 15 to 20 minutes. I brought a spare pack of a battery for my mouse because it just suddenly, it is working now. Okay, it is working, but I brought today. Sometimes my little son take it from me. He play with it in his toys. See, my friends, someone must have thought that a cell should be as this. There must be a problem. That's why this cell came into shape. And this was once an idea. Remember this. And I think everything in our surrounding, other than natural, is an idea. Even the natural, let's say, like, I mean, grass in itself is not an idea, tree in itself is not an idea, but you are passing by a park. That park was once an idea. This mobile phone, this and that, this my keychain, this is an idea. That was the selling point for that person. See, I'm showing you in the webcam. Oh, I guess it is mirror. Oh, it is, no, it's not mirror. Wow, this is an idea. He wrote on this that okay, this is something positive, so I should write on it. This is an idea. It was in the shop. I go to the stationery, I mean the bookshop. It was as this. I say, oh, this is happy life. There were a lot others, love and this and that. I saw we have grown now older. Love stuff is far away from us now. Give me the happy life. Let me keep myself here. You guys have to pray for me, okay, for this new business agreement that I signed. And there are also surprises for you on this channel. But for now we will operate just right here, okay? We will operate right here, not internationally. If it works well, if it goes well, then we will be moving to Dubai. not moving nicely. 9 minutes remaining. Let's see what this 9 minutes brings us. Let's see. Okay, I will be trying to take another scalping trade. This one now turned to position trade. That position trade moved from there till here during scalping. I am staying 9 minutes further, then I will wind up the session. Okay. You know, in my country, I get happy because I see people make money from forex trading, and there is a lot of the competition. And this friend of mine, like competition in the sense that hardly I know I am older in this field right here in my country. I am the second one. There is one other. That person is even older than me in this business. Two. One is me, one is that person. He is everyone's Babaji. I haven't met him in person. I haven't learned from him. I didn't get his course, but Dinch, my dear friend, good evening. How are you doing? I'm good. What you Dinch, my friend? What then yesterday? What happened then? Yesterday was a very good session, my friend. Yesterday. That two trades. Dinch, remember everyone, on my new channel, Dinch was the one who was with me, and Iceberry, these two person, and HK1 used to be right here, but I think he has disappeared. See that strategy change stuff. I'm changing the strategy. I'm doing fine. Greetings from Australia. Greetings from Pakistan, my friend. Three minutes remaining. Let's see. See this hourly. This H4 candle is also important for me, because if it creates a consolidation right here, it can, okay, because this will then be a consolidation zone then. But in next 32 minutes, if this H4 candle closes as this, I think there are two situations. One is this candle closes as this, I will be more happy, or if this candle go down and go against me, I will be happy. Well, with a trading perspective, I think the second scenario is good. It is better to go against me than closing as this. Now the statement makes sense. It is better to go against me but should not close as this, because it will just create confusion. A lot of the people will be buying, a lot of will be selling, and liquidity build up on this side, and bloom, and so I wish and I hope either it go negative against me, it go, obviously I would like it go in favor of me, but I just gave an example that it's fine if it go against me. It's fine, this candle, and closes a bearish. Why? Because at least then I will know that we are bearish, so that we can take the decision and don't leave the position overnight. But if it closes as this, will leave me especially a bit further, will say that okay, wait further 4 hours. So I'm already like bound. I cannot close the computer, I cannot like go outside, and there is one thing more I want to tell you about myself. I cannot trade from my mobile phone. Even I cannot trade, like I can trade, but like I don't want to trade on the go. I cannot focus. I cannot focus when I'm not at the comfort of my this space. I can't. This is, I'm not sure, this is my psychology. Maybe in the next few years it gets resolved, but on the go, like in the car or somewhere, park the car and see the market. And then the internet is also not stable in most of our, because I have tried it as well. Internet is also not stable. One time I was going to another city on highway. Nicely I said okay, friends say let's go. I say okay, let's go. Take out the car, take out my little dongle with the 4G. Back then there was no 5G. Even right now I have no 5G devices, though 5G is available in the country, but all of the existing ecosystem right now I have at the house is not is 4G not. So I was going with a friend and we decided as soon as I cross the toll plaza, oh I need I need to close this there. My friend say where should I bring internet for you right here. Then we took like what they say, from the highway when you go to the nearby next exit. So near the next exit, which is called Colonel Sher Khan interchange on M1 motorway, Peshawar to Islamabad. So there we go had a little bit food as well, and then I connected that, and by the time when I saw my profits, they were not there. Hard, like I then closed it good but not very good. So since then, like I said, nah, I just don't like, especially in my country, I'm not going through that. In 4G is not stable. You know, right here my friends, poverty is on its peak in at my region. Poverty and unemployment, that is on its peak. And God forbid, I'm not devaluing my country. What is on the surface, I'm just telling that there is a lot of the poverty. Even the companies, they say if we install the towers, we have not enough users. So for Aftab we cannot install a separate tower at that. But hopefully, my friends, once I get Starlink in my country, I will be taking you to the northern areas, in the mountains there, in the trees. Okay? In the mountains. You will trade from there. Let's just hope by the end of this year Starlink comes here. That will be too expensive, but like for special occasions, that's fine. I think Starlink is right here, but they are not officially announcing it. So I'm thinking if I buy the device and then it doesn't work, because I have friends and I have contacts who can send me from abroad a device. And even right here we have in Pakistan Thuraya available, but then they say you need a special permit. See, my friends, the market, you see, remember this, okay? Today I didn't use my pen. See, the market job is, oh, this is yellow. The market's job is to keep people trapped right here. Okay? By like the image is created in such a way that most sellers should join this particular zone. Why? Because this is crashing. This image they created. Early in the morning, one doctor, he is a doctor, Dr. Nick Muhammad. Let's see if I can. Oh, I was not supposed to be taking the name. Forget about, okay. what I was saying, forget about this. That XYZ person is holding a sell opinion. To that person it looks as a Fibonacci break 61 point, and he sent me videos as well as a supporting, but yes, on his chart, now I'm not sure which broker he is using, but on his chart there was a, see this 28 pips, it go above the level 28 pips, okay, 4160. You know, this 60 number, this 10 number is very much important for gold, remember this as well. 60, 80 and 10 and 40 as well, these four are my important levels, bigger ones. 10, okay, whatever, 4410, 4310, 3310, 1810, when it was trading back from then, okay, so 10, then 4480, then similarly 10, 20, 40 and 80, these four numbers, okay, and this one doesn't work nicely. This round number, let's say this round number, make it as, let's say 4500 is a round number. Where is 4500? This market maker know this, that this is a round number, people are going to take the decisions. So dear friends, I think yes, if this level breaks, okay, not only my stop loss will be gone, but I will then see that day, I see when the market, let's see it as this, okay, the market is also doing as this. Which one to take first? Turn is for this one, so if it breaks, then what's next? Either that break is a fake out. If it is a fake out, it should go break in. If it is a real one, it should take a retest and continue down, complete this wave. Chances are well, today these chances I don't see. This week, okay, this week I still see it bullish, okay. This week, how much time is left in this week? This is the last session. This is the last session of the week. Friday it is today, right? 19th. Long week it was, very profitable week it was. And most of the traders do this mistake. See, they say market is going up, blindly adding position. Subconsciously we have to keep this in mind, because why, we also traded this. Okay, let's make the chart nice. Now see, let me explain it slightly bigger, not heavy stuff. If this market is dropping, nicely dropping, if this is gone up, this drop was expected till here, now this is expected, and this drop was expected till here, If I was talking to you 6 years ago, I would say this whole is our impulsive leg. Then from 2022 I say, okay, I also see it as this bigger wave, which is C to D, this one. I just target this, and from right here I become bullish. If I'm stopped out, I either do nothing or resume my sell. This. And this is that decision area for us. This area, you see. Most people don't understand it. Joy Pride after long. Hi sir, how are you? So buy it will TP next week. Well, you came a little bit late. If one is a swing trader, this is not a trade signal, okay? Do it on a demo. Like, I can be wrong, you know, then I feel very bad if I tell someone buy right here and then it doesn't go well. I feel very but to me, like, you know, my friend, I can be wrong, but to me, like, since the start of the week I was planning for this, so yes, I will be leaving it over the weekend. But bullish evidence has not properly came in. Why? Because, and yes, one more thing, maybe big maybe I close it later. I will come live when the market will be closing later tonight. It will be night right here and afternoon there in USA, and it will be around dinner time around 8 p.m. in the UK and Australia. I'm not sure how far is Australia. So yes, so when it will be closing I will come here. If it is still like this, then I will close, because then if I don't close I have to wake up till the early in the on Monday when the market opens. It is early morning right here, 3 a.m. in the morning, so I have to stay awake till then, or try to wake up if I was asleep. So slightly that can make me little bit uncomfortable, so for that purpose I will try to see it. I will update if I don't come live right here, I will update it in the community tab of the channel. Why and reason? Because today is a less volume day. I'm not sure the bulls I'm like waiting for, these might be those traders or not. Who knows, they are them or not them, but at least I assume that these are not those traders which immediately give me profits. Those traders came in today, gave me profit 0.03, I closed in profit. That 0.01 I closed at break even and left this 0.02, but they couldn't sustain. Okay, and the seller is first trapped right here and the buyer is now trapped right here. That same seller trapped right here on a buy, some trapped on a hedging. So, and one more thing my friends, see, the nature of this market is probability wise. If I rank, if one asks me, Aftab, how much points you will give to this particular setup, well, I will see on the daily time frame. I have not enough evidence till now so far. On the 4 hour, till the 4 hour it is a buy level, but on the daily we have no doubt seen a rejection, but on the daily time frame next week it might be trying to go back up slightly. Maybe this is, there are a lot of the maybes. Okay, so let's just don't discuss the maybes, let's stay focused on then this H4, and if it breaks then this SL hit I'm not expecting today. This I'm telling to you. Yes, later when on Monday the market opens and let's see, imagine if this market closes here, so maybe then yes, the Monday market might be like, you know, can go slightly up and then take the liquidity and come up with a big wick. So next week might be, let's see how today candle closes, but next week might be not as easy as it was as this. Okay, this week was fairly easy, difficulty level was very less this week. Reason, See, after how long? After from 17th April it was dropping. In the middle we have seen this correction. This much volume we haven't seen. And when was that? This was on at the start of May. So from the start of May we have seen this bigger wave, and this bigger wave I'm sure people will be trading it to the buy side, Fibonacci traders. So my friend, yes, let's see, plan accordingly. Okay, rest, let's wait for this H4 candle to close, then we find out that okay, what can be the best possible scenario for us. Dench, I saw that zigzag indicator. It picks highs and lows very accurately. Then you can use the Fibonacci tool with that together. Exactly. How beautiful tool is that on the MT4. This is very fantastic. Let me activate it right here now. See, go to insert. It is by default in the MT4. Okay, this is not something I made or something. This, it do the stuff automatically. Let me make it a little bit bold so we can see it. Inputs, colors, style. No, I want to make it width 4 will be fine. Now see, in if you watch my videos from 2018-19, zigzag was always B, because I was a beginner also at that time myself. So this zigzag would always be on my chart. But now, since spending too much of the time, my friends, in the market, so I can now do it without it. So you train yourself with it, then you see. Later it will become very easy for you. The thing that it is doing right now is very crazy. Okay, just one moment, I will be right back. It is testing the low of the previous low, no, previous open. Let me sit a little bit with comfort. Just 10 minutes remaining, and if this closes as this, even if it closes as this, people will be selling on it, but the actual on 1 minute people will be buying on it. expecting and targeting the high of this candle. That is again 223 pips away from right here. Yes. Let me head over to your chat. Let's see if there is any fresh scalping opportunity so I can tell you. Let's move to this right here. It can be, I want to give you another pro thing, focus on it, okay? If you watch my weekly forex forecast level, the level was, let's see, 43.92 point something. It was 43.92 point, let's say 30 for now, okay, but something as this it was. This was our Fibonacci number from up there. Let's see from there. Okay, and originally if we see that level in the weekly forecast was this. How much difference it is? It is 43.81 approximately to go. So $10, the market was supposed to be dropping from 43.92. It dropped from 43.80. $10 earlier than Fibonacci. A bit, see, $10. Now to those traders to whom it looks as a breakout, obviously this is the 61.8 with us right here. See this one, this area where price is right now. We have seen another hourly close above this, but let's see if this candle continues bullish, will be good. So what I was saying, 43.92, yes. So this $10 they can drop it right here, so that the people think like originally the price was supposed to be selling from there and buying from there, but this 41.62 and 41, this little caused by that one, $10, no, not 10, yes, $10. So let's see, our buying level was this 41.67, so make it 41.57. So this is also one school of thought where the market is standing right now. And there was one other thing for the newcomers I want to tell you. There was since yesterday, yes, this, to the new ones I'm telling you this, since last night and even since yesterday it is coming as this, and ultimately it go bullish as this. You know my trend line trading strategy. So as per that, yes, if one say okay, I don't mind having a, but my friends, the thing is SL is very bigger in this one. Yes, right here if one wants to play this, this is 150 pips and is standing at a buy zone, but let's wait if we see some buying or not. It has created a crashing image. So well, yes, keep observing this Good, that will be good. Well, let's see, it is again ready for another scalping buy. But I'm just going with a $9 of risk, okay? And for the TP, I mean, this is a scalping trade, so let's see. Even if it gives this much as a scalping, still I say more than enough. 231 pips it is, with a stop loss of 94 pips. This, but not a very high-fi type of a level, okay? So tiny lot, or even better not to trade, because see, market is also as this. Oh, I did slight mistake. It's okay, these tiny mistakes will be there, okay? But there are a lot of the time frames sometimes, you know. On the other hand side, it is also standing at this retest level. So this drop, see, market go up, came back for a retest, makes sense till now so far. Otherwise, if it takes 94 pips, let it take it. Some other time will recover from it. And remember, my friends, whenever a single trade of you go wrong, 2 trades go wrong, 3 trades go wrong, don't ever panic. Don't ever panic, because more panic creates more panic. More fear will attract more fear. The more happy you are, the more relaxed you are, you will be performing nice. But let's suppose if this trade go against me and stop me out, and if I take it on my heart, oh, this happened, oh, that happened, oh, I should have not this. Obviously, in that situation, I am making myself uncomfortable. I need to control my thought process to know that profits are coming. So if profits are coming, obviously there will be losses as well. Losses should be smaller, TPs should be bigger. Success formula. And level should be correct. It's not as if one buy there, okay? If one buy there and say, okay, I took a very, very nice decision. Most of the swing traders do this. They watch a video, and I say, even if one is a swing trader, should look at before the entry for a bit better confirmation and stuff. Now this H4 candle is very much important for us. This stop loss is 100% compromised, okay, because this candle has a wick right here. So when it will be filling it, yes, it can take it. And yes, one more thing, this H1 candle, if it closes below the low, I think I need to move it slightly here. The lot is smaller, okay? If it was a bigger lot, I would not be moving, but I still think it should reverse. Obviously some panic will be creating, market will be creating panic. Everyone will say, oh, this is now finally a breakout, sell. Wow, that original stop loss still is survive. The H4 closed, my friend, the H4 closed. Let's see if it closes above or below the Fibonacci. My friend, this is now confusion, okay? This is now confusion. This is now a breakout. This is now a breakout to the bottom side of the market on the H4. So I'm little bit waiting, otherwise see, like, even this is a good position trade right here, okay, this with this much stop loss. But if this breakout occurs, obviously it tells me that now the market is approaching there, but with a very low volume it is, okay. then that will also be a big thing for us to know that whether this level is being respected or not, because the volume is very low. Then there is this level as well with us. I mean, the wick of that it has covered already. Let's see. Now even if it go here, I think maybe it can drop again from 4170 if it go up there. Can be false, okay, can be a false one. Okay, not a very bigger one. I mean, see from 4161 till 4151, this is same that $10 of a difference. Let me zoom in, let me show you. This is same that $10 of a difference. See, 4161 the open and 4151 the close, so it is bullish. Why? Because that 10 that market was supposed to be dropping from right here, that $10 difference it created right here. So yes, then as per that, well, yes, my buy should work nicely. Not this one, okay, this one, this is later stuff. This one I'm talking about, this is the present one. This one has a stop loss right here. So breakout is not exactly clear now. There is a very plenty of room left, okay, there is a good range up there, at least 164 and 236. Well, yes, Dinch, my friend, maybe. $41 where? Price will come back 41.20. Yesterday you said something very good. 43.80 it was. What it was? Fallen is fall back, my friend. It was also good. 40. Which one? 41.20. First, let me find out 41.20. Here, 41.20. On the basis of this level, this. Oh, great. Yes, my friend, you are 100% correct. I think so. But that will be a double bottom, okay, because after this breakout, yes, double bottom formation seems obvious at this stage. Let's see if it correct back up till there. For now, No, 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 no. 41, 44. Let's wait for invalidation of this 5-minute candle. Once it validates, we know what the price intention is. Yeah, on the H4 it has clearly, like, not clearly, on the H4 there is confusion of that $10 breakout occurred, breakout didn't occur. $10 early it dropped, and $10 later it can go down. See, from that difference is equal right here. This is also one thought process. So the next, till the next 4 hours we are a little bit bound. But I think I might not be leaving any position for the weekend, okay, everyone. Earlier I said I will be leaving, but I think if it is as this, I'm not leaving then any position. Both of them I will be closing, and I'm lucky. I closed that 0.03 and that 0.01. 0.01 at break even, that pending one that got executed last night on the pending one, pending limit. And the one was the fresh 0.05 that I bought, which was in how much profit? This trade I bought 0.05, this one, remember, this was in the stream I bought it. 41.51 I bought right here, and somewhere I closed profits, okay, on this right here, somewhere right here I closed something. There I had a well, if I'm anyways holding, then I think the stop loss should be slightly below the wicks, okay, if I'm anyways holding, because this stop loss becomes a little bit $190, but TP is how much? 231. Let's see. I think 4120 seems very obvious now. I mean, look at this weekly candle. But no selling, okay? No selling at all. We have no volume. I'm just waiting for this SL to hit or this TP, okay? Or a bit bigger volume. $41, 44.79 can be a sniper entry as well. Touch and go type, 36 pips. I am expecting a touch and go, okay, on 41, 44.79. And go till where? Till the moon? No. Touch and go till at least 41.60. As this. A fresh buying opportunity. People will think, oh, the market created a lower low. They will enter. They will enter. Let's see the 15-minute a little bit. Is there we have anything? Can we switch to a trading view for a moment? That is a bit more clear. That is much clear. Okay. That is much clear. Just for a moment. See it. Very deadly it looks on the trading view, my dear friends. I mean, people are placing as this, okay, not a trading signal as this. $4,000 level again it is. Maybe as this, but whatever it is seems very deadly. Okay, let's now see 15-minute a little bit on the trading view. Oh, well, structure seems to the sell side. Okay, at least as Volnes Volvic also said, as this, sorry, Dinch, I guess Dinch said it. 41.20. Then if you are talking about 41.20, keep 41 up to 41.10 in your mind. Okay, then dry candles are forming. M pattern is expected as well. But anyways, no issue. Let's see if my SL is still there. But leaving it overnight will be a bit or not just overnight but over the weekend. But there is one other school of thought. Oh, look at this. This school of thought. Look at this. This is already there. Price is already at a 61.8. This is the M5 stuff, okay? Not that other. So my friends, as per this particular wave, now it will be also showing us this. Till where? Till 4200 approximately. Today, as far as this level is holding, wow, wait, then this is maybe then the 15-minute setup. This, yes, on the 15-minute it shows this. Okay, oh, as this it shows. Okay, so this will be of equal importance for us. Now obviously wick and stuff like that can be there. Okay, this is on the 15-minute. Okay, I think as far as this trend line is holding, we should be looking at it as this. Yes, don't make it, don't confuse yourself. Let's observe this trend line, because if it breaks, it will be trying to break, it will be like wicks down as well and can close above that. But as I said, it will be taking the liquidity. Okay, coming back for the liquidity, and then yes, if it decides to break this particular level, then we can't say anything. But with this much volume, I think, my friend, a wick below the level might not be like, see, this is 24 pips of a wick. I'm not sure how that makes sense. Good scalping buy one can plan. Good scalping one. Okay, quick one, not trading signal, nothing, just quicker one. Okay, still it is 40 pips. Oh, where is it working, my friends? Volume is not there. I think at this time volume should appear. $41.20. If this fails, then 41.20. Proper breakout. Okay, one candle should close below, stay below this trend line. But wait, have a look at this and then have a look at this. See, at the resistance, at the support, stop loss is too tight for this one. Yes, in such situations only with tight stop loss we can go. Let's see if bulls are taking part right here or not. For bulls, this is just a matter of one big candle. Okay, but this trading view point of view is very deadly, my friends. 41.10 it is telling us. Oh, gone. Big sell off. This is big sell off. Big market maker sell off area. Sliddy beads 0152. Gold down to 3900. How, my dear friend? Explain a little bit. If you have some insider stories which we don't have, please share with us right here. Contribute something in the community. How you are saying 3900? Come up with a full plan. Because literally gold is going everywhere. If we discuss, gold is going everywhere as per the ABCD. See, down, up, down, further down, bulls failed, up, down, should go up. But from there, this is A, B, C, and obviously this D will be somewhere right here. So it is also going up there, it is also going down there. Without a plan, just saying it is going down, I'm not sure. But sometimes it might looks as a crash, but why is it not crashing till now so far? Why it is being bought? Stopped me out and then continue. No, my stop loss is still there. Wait. Yes, my stop loss survived, I thought. Yes, my friends, at least this one survived. At least till up there it should now be bullish. But I mean, if it doesn't want to, there is no hard fast rule. $41.67. This move that I said, this correction, then from there a scalping sell or maybe a breakout retest to the buy side, and a confirmed one will look as this. Yes, this already break above the trend, so should continue up. Let's see for divergence as well. Plenty of divergence we have. Look at this low and look at this. See it as this. See, this is divergence. But we cannot call this a double bottom. Okay, double bottom forms on extreme places. And let's see, when it dropped, was this a double top and divergence? It was not a double top, but yes, it was a divergence. It means market is ranging in these two levels. Level was good for a buy, but not like my buy is already very nearby. CD beads 01A52, 4200 if it holds. Yes, this ABCD, this one exactly. But let's see bulls, why bulls are hesitating to buy. Again they failed. This candle, see, this is a reversal candle to the sell side, or a breakout candle. The next candle should be a breakout to the top or to the bottom, but to the top it should be then stronger one, okay, not an ordinary one, stronger one. And this is also obvious that like even the London market I guess will be closing as well in a moment, so there will be a lot of the sellers, some profit taking will be happening. Let's see how much time left in the London close. The London Forex close at 5 p.m. UK time. Stock exchange closes at 4:30 p.m. So 5 plus 5 p.m. plus IM plus, okay, time remaining. Let's see, time remaining in London session close. One hour 29 minutes remaining before the London session wraps up. So possibly some profit taking will be happening for the sellers, weekly sellers, those who close their deals. Nah, my dear friends, I think market intention is something else then, if it is doing this. But I strongly recommend all the traders should avoid selling. If they are weekly traders, position traders, daily time frame, yes, can sell. By the way, very different market this is, okay. Maybe now there is a big chance that big bulls should appear. $41.10 they must be preparing for, but I say okay, if they are preparing for 41.10 they stop me out, fine, no issue at all. From Monday onwards I will be coming live on this channel, okay everyone, forget about that. I will be doing it for other regional education, regional language. But I mean, this is my desire that I should separate the live stream from here. This is the swing trading setup. I don't know that who is watching me, the scalper, the swing trader. This is then my, so when I separate the channels, I will know that okay, this is a swing trader, this is a scalper, day trader, intraday trader. Okay guys, I think this is $19 of risk. Okay, and this is a bigger one. I'm leaving it. Okay, and I think the smaller one will hit the SL very soon. This is what I think. Waiting for this candle, then we see okay what it gives us. It's almost 7:41 p.m. right here at my region, and I would like to go for a walk to relax my mind a little bit. You guys have Saturday and Sunday off. I don't have those off as well. I do the weekly forecast for gold, do the other weekly forex forecast, some education as well. Joyride, thank you so much. Thank you, dear, for the feedback. I appreciate it. Uh, for the swing, I think don't trade today. It's very slow. Monday, fresh opportunity. Okay. Today it is a bit. See, I'm also not holding bigger lots. Maybe a wick down and continuation. Jawad, what? Wait, guys. Okay. What? Nothing. Oh, okay. Very joking market, I should say, today it is. Well, guys, I'm closing it, okay? This one as well. This one, this buy, I'm closing, okay? I'm willing to close it. Too much risk. Yes, I just closed it, okay? On the market which doesn't move, I don't like that market, okay? And I also advise you to just call it a day, okay? Don't chase it. If someone is stuck somewhere, hedge it later. It can be seen. This is a bearish engulfing. Now see, this is too much. Not very ideal market to me, okay? This is obviously it will be going up, okay? But like you see this, it did this, right? This one couldn't continue, go back up, then go back up there, then liquidity taken, drop. So similarly right here liquidity will be taken and then it will go up. So better to start take a start next week, a fresh one, okay? Mango lassi, then top it up with some masali chai. Wow. By the way, kebabs here as well cooked, but there is no mango lassi. Lassi is there but no mango. Joyride didn't look so yummy. Are you? You're welcome, Joyride. Looking forward to see you. Because one more thing I want to tell you. Right here I personally give a response to each and every comment. So most traders come every day right here, so I give response. But then when I don't see the regular people who chat right here, I miss them a little bit. Just like a lot right here were very active, but then they are not here. So make sure every day. See, if you miss the stream, you can just come up and have a comment below the stream, okay? Even if one missed, so at least that will be good. But then I miss you guys as well, okay? Because sometimes there is people watching me, there is no chat. I don't know who is watching me. So yes, thank you so much. Stay blessed wherever you are. Stay happy. And don't mind sometimes when I go a little bit straightforward, so don't mind those, because see right here what I want, obviously as a mentor I want my followers to be successful. So it's okay sometimes when I'm explaining a level and sometimes when I'm correcting someone and this and that, this will be there. So yes, thank you so much for being right here with me. See you next week in the live stream and in the forecasts as well. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye bye.